Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying why QuickTime won't play the file, missing codec or unsupported container. Use Finder Get Info or Media Info to read codec and container. Once you know the problem, install Handbrake or FFmpeg. Homebrew makes FFmpeg simple. Make a copy of the original file so you can try conversions without risk. Then choose an output container QuickTime supports like MOV or MP4, and set a compatible codec such as H.264 for video and AAC for audio. Now you perform the conversion. In Handbrake, pick MP4 or MOV, H.264 video and AAC audio, choose high profile and level 4. 0 to maximize compatibility. If using FFmpeg, run a command specifying C, vlibs 264 profile V high level 4. 0 CRF20C, a OCB, a 192K. Make sure resolution and frame rate are within QuickTime limits. For example, set 1920x 1080 at 30 FPS. Once done, inspect the output's codec and container to confirm the change. You finish by testing the converted file in QuickTime and confirming smooth video, audio sync, and correct duration. If it still won't play, try remuxing into MOV without re-encoding or convert to ProRes for professional use. Some older QuickTime builds handle ProRes better. If playback shows artifacts or stutters, suspect corruption, use FFmpeg to copy streams or run a repair utility or re-export from the original editor. Make sure to keep the working copy and note what change fixed the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.